Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Ranger gear knob, only way. First, remove the old knob by unscrewing or prying its retaining collar gently using the correct Allen key or screwdriver. Keep track of small clips and springs and place them on a clean cloth. Inspect the new knob fit, align any guide pins, and test the shifter movement before final tightening to avoid damage. Start by loosening the visible set screws or carefully prying off the retaining collar with a trim tool. If the knob is threaded, turn counterclockwise while holding the shift lever steady. Place removed screws and clips into a container so nothing gets lost. Use gentle, steady force rather than sudden jerks to protect interior trim and avoid scratching plastic or leather surfaces during removal. Slide the replacement knob onto the shifter, aligning any guide pins or slots, then hand thread or seat the retaining collar. Tighten set screws incrementally to ensure even contact and avoid stripping threads. Check that reverse and all forward gears engage smoothly without binding. Finally, wipe away fingerprints and confirm the knob sits flush with surrounding trim for a factory look and secure feel before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.